Hey everyone, it's Nicole from Nutley Kia. I want to show you a 2016 Kia Soul. Has about 40,000 miles. It is a two-tone gray and black interior and dash. It is cloth. You have XM radio, Bluetooth control on the steering wheel. It is automatic 4-cylinder 1.6 engine. You have a 40-60 split rear back seats, and then you have your trunk space. You also have the underneath cabinet for extra space and your tire mobility kit. For more information on this vehicle, please give us a call, 973-667-0500. My extension is 112. Thank you.
A certified pre-owned Kia is confidence and reliability for the road. With a fantastic warranty, roadside assistance, and an intense quality assurance inspection, you can have total peace of mind. Ask your dealer for details about the Kia Certified Program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.